everybody and welcome back to another video. In this one I'm making a video about this dog right here. Say hello? Yeah? Oh, this is my lounge. You didn't know already. But anyway, so this is him. He is a boy. He follows my sister around quite a lot of the time. He loves his squeaky toys. And we only got him like 5 days ago, so he's very nervous and all that still. Hey, what's that? Say hello. He follows my sister around like 1000% of the time. So he hasn't met my nan or my granddad yet, but he will today. I don't really squeak that much. He stinks, and well, we have an air freshener because of him. I think his favourite toy is his monkey out there somewhere, but I've just shut him in here for this video. He loves jumping up, and yeah, that is his favourite spot to sit down. This is my first ever dog, and that is a great video of him right there. So, I don't know if this is in camera, but he just like, I think he licked me. So, there we go. So, I guess thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Peace. Say bye. Say bye. Bye bye. Peace. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you later.